Hello there guys, it's Ethan here, and today we've got 9 packets of the matchattax England collection. All gonna be shit basically, trades wise. Let's open the packet down and name our one because I've accidentally picked that one up. And yeah, so we're gonna start these open. They're all Ronaldo's. Let's go. I thought, to get some dinner. So. Oh, God, what a great start. Is that Uruguay's manager, Landon Donovan, star player, Alana, Mascherano, Lens, Icat Casillas, Paulinho, Loris, Mitchell Lagu, and Bravo, Johnny Bravo. So I might be starting keeping some of my trades, what I get, because I'm going to start doing the auctions at the Swap and Play Tour. Oh my God, what are these pieces of crap? Not good start to my collection of Ronaldo packets. Ecuador, Mandzukic, Cole, Vincent Kompany, Ibsevic, Alaba, Paulinho again, Bazagli, Japanese guy, and Jana. Let's hope we can get a star player in this packet. I'm going to start opening them this way. My man in the match. Let's jinx this. No, I haven't. Got worse than I wanted. We'll get Ecuador's manager again. Ramos man of the match. Get it. Every pack opening. Gerrard, star player. Phil Jones. Tongan. No, yeah, it was Tongan. Aguilera. Fabregas. Espanola. Postiga. And Joel B. Mikel. So we've got a total of, I think it's 6 packets left on this video. Hope we can pull some good fools. Right, don't get Ronaldo packs from the co-op. Yeah. Algeria, Guardado, Jones, Vermaelen, Indy, Dempsey, Bilal Cesar, Benzema, Torres, and Serrano. Right, why did... That is... This Paulinho card set behind Bazagli. Rooney, Guerrero, Dzeko, Xavi, Paulinho, Bazagli, Greece player, and Perisic. So we've got 5 packs left. I don't expect any amazing pull. Well, speak of the devil. Yeah, that's kind of an amazing pull, isn't it? No manager, but we do get the Ronaldo 101 again. It's my 3rd one of him, so he's in trade now if anyone's up for that. Faglowy, Cole again, Kompany, Ibsevic again, Shaqiri, guy with the hat, Sangna, John Martinho, and another Nigeria defender. Yeah, that was a nice pull to get. And we get a 100. Oh, we get another 100 club here. Steven Gerrard 100 club, I think that is. Yeah, it is. That's a really amazing pull. Yeah, it's a trade if you want it. Anyone? We get that star player. Rooney again, Aguero again, Pjanic, Xavi, Espanola again, Real Mares. So we have 2 more packets left. Can't go wrong really, can you? 200 clubs can make a 15 quid off the internet if anyone's interested in these cards. I'll get them cheaper for you guys. My loyal subscribers, who I have 7 of now. I think I might do a, when I get up to 100, it'll take about 5 years, won't it? But when I get up to 100, I'll be doing, oh, it's man of the match. Modric, Steiner, trade all of these. Walker, Higuain, Strootman, him. Guy with the hat again. Cellini, I think he completes my collection, so I'll put him in my needs pile. Postiga and him, another Nigerian player. And then the final packet we get. We never end on good packets, do we? We always seem to end on the shittest packet ever. Here we go. Iranian guy. Ox, Gagu, Blah, Cameron, Jules Cesar, Benzema, Samaras, Modric. So that's basically it for this video. I did show you. There's the trade pile. So I was like chocolate away from my bed. Need pile. Yeah, so that's turning down the drain. Hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. If anyone wants any of 500 clubs or so on, they're yours. That's it for this video, guys. I'll see you for the next one. It's Eve, and I'm saying peace.